All right, so again, a different little look to how this question is asked. It still says graph, and we're doing two things to it, but it does say state the coordinates. So that means if you don't have the coordinates written down here, you're going to lose a little bit of credit because it says you have to state the coordinates. It happens much less often than when it doesn't ask you to state the coordinates. All right, so let's get a graph drawn so we can go ahead and do these things. All right, so 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, and 1, 1, 2. So Q, R, S. Okay, so first thing it wants me to do is R90. All right, that means counterclockwise because it does not say a direction, 1 turn. Okay, do the same thing I did when we did the rotations. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to draw a little box around it, screen clip it. I'm going to paste it over here on the side, and I'm going 1 turn counterclockwise as soon as that thing pops out of the way. Counterclockwise is that direction right there. So I'm going there. I'm going to write my coordinates down. Here's my state the coordinates piece, so that's nice. Rotations are nice for state the coordinates because I usually have to anyways. All right, so Q is at 1, 2, 3, -4, 2. S is at 2, 1. And R is at 0, 6. All right, so that's where they are. So I'm going to go over and plot them. There's Q, 2, 1. There's S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And there's R. No, sorry, I said those letters wrong. That's Q prime. That's R prime. And that's S prime. All right, so there's my coordinates. Then it wants a dilation of 1/2. That means, again, I can just multiply the coordinates all by 1/2 when I have a dilation. So 2 primes on all of them because it's the second thing I'm doing. And I'm just multiplying all of these coordinates times 1/2. So it's going to be -2, 1, 0, 3, and 1, 1/2. All right, so if I get a 1/2, it's not that big a deal. I can handle it. All right, so let's go ahead and graph those. So -2, 1 for Q. This in black. -2, 1 for Q. 0, 1, 2, 3 for R. And then 1/2, or sorry, 1/2, 1 for S. So that's Q prime prime, R prime prime, S prime prime. And then there's my triangle right there. My coordinates are all stated, so I have that covered. And I was careful with the rotation, which is what I want to make sure I do when I have the rotation. I'll be really careful, make sure it gets in the right spot. Oh, hang on. No. So first time I've done that a little bit here. So let's undo a few of these things here. I have my S negative. I noticed that I had an issue. Hang on. Yeah, a few more undos here. Sorry about that. Good thing I caught it before I have to make a whole new video. So it's 1/2, 1, not 1/2, -1. No, sorry. 1, 1/2. That's the issue right there. So that's Q prime prime. That's R prime prime. And then that's S prime prime. And there's my triangle. As I was closing that video, I'm like, that triangle looks different. All right. And it's not supposed to change the shape of anything. All right. So now that I'm thinking about it, is this a rigid motion? No, it's not because the size changed. All right. So we got a couple things there. Sorry for the mistake.